Welcome to our project presentation on Smart Helmet for Riders to Avoid Accidents Using IoT. This system is designed to improve rider safety by monitoring helmet conditions, detecting accidents, and providing real-time alerts using IoT technology. Our setup includes an Arduino microcontroller, a Raspberry Pi 3B Plus for advanced processing, an ultrasonic sensor for obstacle detection, a MEMS sensor for accident detection, a GPS module for location tracking, a GSM module for emergency alert communication, an alcohol sensor for detecting alcohol consumption, a relay module for vehicle control, a DC motor for vehicle simulation, a buzzer for warning alerts, an LCD display for status monitoring, a USB web camera for surveillance monitoring, along with a 5V power supply and 12V1 adapter for powering the complete system. The system continuously monitors rider safety, vehicle conditions, and nearby obstacles while displaying real-time status on the LCD. If alcohol is detected, it instantly activates a warning and prevents vehicle operation using the relay. In case of an accident, the MEMS sensor detects the impact, triggers the buzzer, and automatically sends an emergency alert with the rider's GPS location through the GSM module. The ultrasonic sensor also detects nearby obstacles and alerts the rider to help prevent collisions. Our services we can provide abstract, documentation, PPT, and results. Thank you for watching. For more details, contact 9030 333 433.